Hi, I am here from Kodilang. Today in this video, I am going to show you some of the best shortcut key that you can use in your Windows 10 to do your work more easier and faster. So let's get started. Since Windows 10 has been released, Action Center is one of the greatest features that is in Windows 10. To turn on or off any options and see all of the notifications of your computer, then you need to go to Action Center. The best method to open the Action Center is Windows plus A. As you can see, it's the best shortcut key that you can use. While working on a computer, if you want to minimize or go to the desktop as quickly as possible, then here is the shortcut. Just press Windows plus D to quickly go to the desktop, or Windows plus M to minimize all of the windows. Just press Windows plus comma to see the big preview of your desktop. How often do you open Windows Explorer? Yes, I know that. You open Windows Explorer a lot of time, but do you know its shortcut? Yes, here it is. Just press Windows plus E to quickly open File Explorer. I think it will save you a lot of time while doing your work. Are you a gamer? If you are a gamer, then this shortcut key will be very helpful to you. This shortcut key is for Game Bar. To open Game Bar, just press Windows plus G. After opening Game Bar, you can record videos of any applications and even record the screenshots and even shows the informations of GPU, RAM, CPU, etc. It is a great shortcut key with great information. Are you the one who do a lot of customization in Windows? Then this shortcut key is for you. If you want to open settings in Windows, then just type Windows plus I to open settings. When you are in a hurry, then you try to lock your computer, but it might take a while. Is there any shortcut key for it? Yes, there is. If you want to lock your computer, then just type Windows plus L to quickly lock down your computer. Do you like multitasking in Windows? Then these shortcuts are very great for you. Do you like the virtual desktops? Then follow me. If you want to create a virtual desktop, then just type Windows plus Ctrl plus D. It will automatically create a virtual desktops for you. If you want to switch between these virtual desktops, then just click Windows plus Ctrl plus arrow keys. You can use left or right arrow keys to switch between these virtual desktops. If you want to delete these virtual desktops, then just type Windows plus Ctrl plus F4. It will automatically delete your virtual desktop. And if you want to go to the Task View button, then just type Windows plus Tab. I hope you learned some of the best shortcut keys of Windows 10 from this video. If you learned something new from this video, then just like this video and subscribe our channel and often share this video. And if you have any doubt, then just comment in comment section. If you show me the great support, then I will create a new part 2 of it also. And do not forget to see my website through the link in the description below. Thank you. Goodbye.